special for you in your face, bitch!
Go get 'em, boys!
In your face!
Something special,
Exclusive for you!
something exclusive.
I pop out the box, swing on a spring. Big Violent J with the axe out. Trouble we bring, a juggalo thing. Wicked clown with the boom, pow, bang. In your face. Through the glass as a fireworks blast. Shaggy the clown hit a murder some ass. I've been a strangler, no coast to coast. And I turn any thug into a ghost. In your face. Juggalo, only when it's convenient. And no, they don't mean it. We sick of being lenient. Step your ass back before the hatchet attacks. And you catch a few hacks from the axe. I crawl like a tarantula on my toes and thumbs. Born to the carnies, gypsies and bums. I spit my raps and tongues over voodoo drums. Bitch, wicked shit this way comes. In your face.
For you, something special for you. We got you covered, homie. Something exclusive for you.
In your face!
For you, something special for you. We got you covered, homie. Something exclusive for you. We got
I
this.
was fucking this slut up in her dirty ass. Threw the rubber out the window as we drove past. Funny thing, I ain't see you standing on the grass. And it fucking stuck to your mustache. In your bang to the pow, wang to the mouth. Boom go the wicked clown southwest style. From Pluto to Uranus, we underground famous for doom. Ain't 808 bass booms in your face. I shook the hand of Satan with a cross in my palm. Burnt all the flesh all the way up his arm. I wasn't scared, I was giddy to do it. Then I lopped his head off and threw it in your face. Same clown posse never gonna fade. Helped your ass get laid back in 8th grade. Many years passed and we still top grade. Blowing up like a hand grenade in your face.